progress from 2018, looking at your goals for 2019. But one thing I want to ask you is, who do you have to become? Yes, you may have all these goals that you want to accomplish, but who do you have to become in order to accomplish those goals? Who do you have to become in order to make the amount of money that you want to make? Who do you have to become in order to lose the weight that you want to lose? Who do you have to become in order to grow your business to the level that you want to grow it to? Who do you have to become to improve your marriage and be the mother that you want to be? Who do you have to become? Meaning, what things in your life needs to change? How do your thought processes need to change? What habits of yours need to change? Because you have to remember that success happens from the inside out. People will see the outward manifestation of the changes of what's going on the inside. So when you want to see change